train station waiting for Michael and Ruth to arrive. The madness is about to start. Everyone's coming in for the party.
There he is!
Hello.
Hello!
Oh.
Ruthie, hello!
Hello, hi.
I'm so happy you're both here.
I may just have saved Easter.
Yay!
Wait, there's more.
There's more. Wow. Oh,
This is
Easter
it.
saved.
You're the best Easter bunny ever. I'm so sad that you're leaving.
I'm so sad as well.
It doesn't seem right before the party. Can we have one final look at the miracle that you've done in the Grand Salon?
It is very, very nice.
There wouldn't have been a party if it hadn't been for you and Marie and Heather. And Natalia, who's back? Natalia!
I am back.
Everyone's going to be very happy to see you. Oh, fantastic! It is a magical galaxy. And look how beautiful Marie's flowers are in here. There, you can see just the elusive Nick's hand. Oh!
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the before shot. What was that? What was that?
That's a disapproving look.
This is where we're going to have our pizza restaurant tonight.
Yeah, you're doing pizza tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting the bread oven up and working.
Bread over up and running. We're going to make little tables here and put some fairy lights out. Now we have to find the table legs, though.
Do you know what happened to the legs?
They were in a second in another carton.
Well, I'd love to stay and help you all, but I can't because if I leave this bleaching any longer, I won't be blonde, I'll be bald.
Well, fortunately, us true blondes, natural blondes, don't have these issues.
You're not going to pull that out. I can't believe it.
Never
Not
mind.
talking to you anymore, Ian. I'm not talking to Ian. You'll have to deal with the build.
Blonder, I think.
Okay, I leave myself in your extremely capable hands.
Michael's done my hair. I'm feeling a lot more human and ready to get this Easter party started. And I cannot forget what is next on the agenda because all around the house little notes have appeared telling us what to do.
Apparently tonight is the alter ego dinner pizza party.
I just found further instructions on my bed in the shape of the Daily Planet. It is now suspected that a supervillain syndicate is working to take out all of the superhero kind. You will be given an envelope for your eyes only. Keep the information inside your envelope a secret. Do not tell anyone.
Hello.
What's that you're carrying?
That is an old-fashioned.
Oh, why aren't I carrying one?
Because I haven't made it yet.
Can I have one?
Do you want one? Yeah, let's go and do it.
Kim has just brought her annual goodie bag here before the party, and she brought these two family heirlooms from her family.
Wow, Wedgwood.
And I know this one is going to go on the wall of
Yeah.
the bathroom in Chambre de Roger. That's going to be stunning. And I'm presuming that as you're the only person that has a filthy habit, Michael Patrick,
Yes.
this is going to be for you.
Thank you very much.
Have you got your alter ego sorted?
Yes, I have got my alter ego
Oh, you're extremely organised, aren't you?
Yes, but what I don't have is a bathroom because it's being used by somebody else.
That's why you're skulking around in my room.
Do you have a bathroom I can use,
Weirdly,
Stephanie?
I do.
Oh, really?
What am I going to get in return?
You got your hair done today, and you
Yeah,
get your
but that's in the past. We're looking
get
forward.
your makeup done tomorrow.
Yay!
And your hair.
Okay, perfect.
It's time to dress as my alter ego and go down to face the other guests. I'm Lady Verity. I'm rather an invalid, I'm afraid. My days have to be spent mainly napping due to my weakened constitution. I'm not supposed to show you the contents of my envelope, but I will, so... You are a superhero. Yay! And you will spend the game trying to root out the supervillains.
This is Jake, who was one of the first ever workawayers here.
Howdy.
It's so good that you're back 5 years later.
It's good to be back.
So what is your alter ego tonight?
My name's Kyle, and I'm a swim instructor.
Okay, now I'm frightened. Ruth, who are you? What's your alter ego?
I'm Valentina. I'm running a pizza restaurant.
You're running
my very grouchy husband.
Hello, very grouchy husband of Valentina.
Hey, I'm Sergio. I'm trying to make a pizza here. What are you doing? I mean, come on.
Sergio, your paddle doesn't fit in your room.
No.
We have an almighty large paddle, sir.
That's what she said.
Sergio, can you show me your oven?
Come and have a look at it. Oh.
I'm Lady Verity. Lady Verity, nice to meet you. I'm Gwendolyn. Oh, how lovely. Where are you from? I'm from Sweden. Oh, exotic. Yes, I am. I help people have better sex. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm too weak for that sort of thing. I'm afraid my constitution simply wouldn't allow it. It's never too late. Take a note and talk about the subject.
Oh, what fun! Oh, yes, I think I will. Let's try. What is it?
Water sport. Well, it's funny this came up because there's a lovely man here. Kyle, he's a swim instructor. Have you met him? No. He wants to go swimming in the moat. Lovely man. Oh, lovely. So if you think about water sports and think about sex... Oh, well, I don't think about sex, I'm afraid. I leave that to the young ones. Okay. Yes.
Stephanie.
How's it going downstairs?
It's all going to shit. We've got a chicken that's hiding in the garage.
Okay.
We've got a lack of oven.
Yes.
And I found a replacement oven, but it needs a plug.
So, we've only got half an oven working.
Half an oven working.
Right, well, I guess we'll just have to make do with half an oven.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here with the two Easter bunnies. Easter bunny number 1. Easter bunny number 2 is too elusive to be seen on film. And we decided to start early by getting some Smurf Kinder Surprises.
That seems to be a pole dancer, Steph.
A pole dancing Smurf?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem possible?
Well, it's possible.
Come and show me, I want to see that.
Look, he's on his pole, look, dressed as a sexy fireman. And he's doing a little turn, look. Magic Smurf, yeah.
Go Magic Smurf!
Whoa. That's for kids. What did you get?
I don't know. It's some weird thing. Look, it's not a Smurf.
Oh. Well, that's no good.
No.
Well, then, Smurf you shall have.
I get Magic Smurf!
Take Magic Smurf, yeah, for yourself.
Now it's time for Lady Verity to turn into Dream Girl. Dream Girl is ready and it's time to go downstairs. Welcome to the home planet of Dream Girl. It's a perfect world. But sadly, I've had to go into the real world to fight crime by going into the criminals' dreams and changing their minds about what they will do in the future. What is it that you're offering us?
My superpower.
And we'll get your superpower if we take this.
It brings light into darkness.
Right.
You drink it.
Oh, that's delicious! I think I feel light coming into darkness. Who are you? I just don't know who you are. Oh, sushi! Sushi!
And Amelia, can you control the evil wolf?
And this is fishy.
Fishy!
I am fishy. I can smell danger coming.
I am Grammatica.
That's what other people say.
Saving the world from poor grammar. And this is Spider Dog, doing whatever a spider dog does.
Spider Dog doesn't look
Spider
like
dog,
he's doing
not
I'm Hermione Oceana.
Hermione and Oceana, you are magnificent.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Rarely has such a sight been seen in the arrière cuisine.
What's your superpower?
I'm the Brexit Pimpernel. I save British people from the Brexit by turning them into French.
So Brexit Pimpernel, so you're marrying your way through.
Exactly.
Brilliant.
Ravishing rabbits.
Oh!
The elusive Nick has come as Robo Chicken.
Are you enjoying the party, Robo Chicken?
There will be an animal revolt later, and I have my friends,
Best friends.
Best friend, can't remember your name, but best friends.
No one who likes me knows my name.
Sir Chameleon.
Sir Chameleon.
Yes, you have been upgraded.
You are the chameleon because you can do lots of different accents.
That is correct. Scottish accent's a wee bit weird, and there's nobody Scottish here. So after Scotland, you go to Wales, and Wales is a lot softer.
We like doing the Welsh accent.
Oh, I love a Welsh accent, don't you? Here, Northern Ireland, exactly. I just had to say an explicit word to get there. Reminded me of my friend. So after Northern Ireland as well, you can move down to Southern Ireland.
Southern is a bit softer.
Exactly,
it's
a lot
nicer,
softer.
it's nicer on the top.
Exactly. You move across the channel to France as well. Ah, oui. You can have a conversation with people as French, and then after that you move to Germany. You have to go from France to Germany. Very controversial, the other way around. I don't really know how Arizona sounds compared to other places in the U.S.
I prefer South.
So I'll stay with this for now.
South
Being
American.
South, you talking like Alabama, because that is
I'm a South
fantastic.
American man.
I love me some Alabama accent.
Oh, here she is, the woman of the moment.
Coming to dance.
What?
Come and dance.
Let's go and dance.
Night, but now it's time to get up and go for the Easter egg hunt, and the person who finds the most plastic eggs will win this big egg.
Bunny lion.
Bunny lion.
Yeah.
I'm actually a lion that ate a bunny.
Look at this, my magnificent friends. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
I went to bed at 4:30.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Marie, if you just spend your time picking flowers, you won't find any eggs. The trick I've learnt over the years is that everybody runs off together in one big group, so it's important to go down a side alley all alone, and then you can clean up on a lot of eggs. It's a bit like being on safari. It looks as though there's nothing there, but in fact, it's teeming with life. Dum dum dum! I see a blue one. Look! I see a really good one. I want the pink one, but I'm too short. Yeah! Come to me, bunny! Well, Dana, admittedly, it's pretty warm, but I didn't know it was that warm.
It's hot, baby.
Do you remember what the bridge was like last year?
Yes, we walked over together.
We're like,
Whoa! Safe, sound, amazing.
I don't feel like my life is in danger.
Yeah, no stress at all.
Well, you can thank Andreas for that.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you, Andreas.
Okay.
I got so many.
Let's see. Oh. Cadbury's cream egg time. Little break before lunch.
Oh, you naughty.
25. Oh my god.
You are the only competition I really had out there. Special running shoes, actually. He was trying to look like he was all just being casual, but no. You're a good contender, actually.
Thank you very much.
Strong, very strong. Let's look in here. Oh, yes. You two did extremely well.
Look at the runner epic.
You and your teammate, Anaya, have jointly won.
There it is.
Well done, worthy opponents. Turkey, coleslaw, eggs, millions of quiches.
Now it's time to vote for next year's costume theme.
Are you ready to vote, Marie?
I'm the king of the swingers, Jungle VIP. I reached the top and I had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I want to be a man cub, and stroll right into town.
Kind of.
Okay,
He's
reading
not wrong.
Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
I hope you enjoyed the lemon pudding.
Anyone for tequila?
Are we winning you over yet?
I'd like to introduce this afternoon's renowned guests. The one, the only, the traitors.
The chateau should be filled up with music. Listen now, the theme, it should be musicals. Deep inside me, I feel these new songs rising. And when we all get drunk, we'll have dance-offs. It will be glorious. Picture this.
Before you say another word, Javert, before you chain me up like a slave again, listen, there is something I must do.
If you think I'm wrong, then just watch this, and then you will know.
Summer lovin'.
Summer loving happened so fast.
I met a girl crazy for me.
I met a boy cute as can be.
Summer days drifted away to all the summer nights.
Tell me more, did you get very far?
Your love is but only if you
We gave it our all, but we were beaten by the Mexican theme. So next Easter, it will be Mexico at the Chateau.